As a designer, one of the best ways to sell your product is to always ensure that you wear your product. So today, I want to wear this gown and I'm looking for accessories all over my store to make something for it. Something simple because it's casual. So let's look at the accessories. So dear crafters, I actually want to do a quick one because I need to move out soon. So I just searched around and I saw this Alice band that I used to make one of the ones that I made for you guys to see. Remember how we attached this? I hope you remember how to do this. If you don't, please do let me know in the comment section below. And if this is cinnamon bias that I used and wrapped this Alice band as well. And this Alice band is the one with the two, I think this 2 inch with is it 1 inch? Nah, let me get. Okay, sorry for the break in transmission. So this is yeah, 0.8 inch with Alice band, and I've wrapped it with cinnamon bias. Okay, if you don't know how to do that, also let me know in the comment section below. So we'll be making use of this, our scissors. Remember, I say right now my go-to is fishing line, not thread, although I have plenty of threads around, but I may use them soon one time. Okay, then you know these 2-in-1 flowers. I think I've made use of one flower, so I just have one left, and this, I think I had 2 pieces of it. So this is what I have left. And if you notice, the gown is a mixture of different colors of pink, different shades rather, uh, of pink. You also have there's peach there. So I have this peach. Not that I intended to use different colors. I wanted one, but I have all this available that I could find quickly because I need to set out very soon. And I was like, okay, why not just make use of it and see what will come out from it. So I'm just this tutorial is trying to let you know that you can look around, you know, when you want to go out as a creator and find what you have and just think up of something and make up of something so that when they see you, you have a signature that this is the lady of fascinators. So anytime anyone wants to make fascinators, the first person that comes to their mind is who? It's you. All right. So these flowers were actually gotten from these pieces. I have plenty of flowers that I used to make bouquet. I don't know why I don't get orders of bouquets any longer. Who wants me to make them bouquet? Although now the colors that I have are different. Would I be able to use them? I should be able to. But who I would like to advise you that you watch to the end so that you would see when I wore the fascinator with the matching gown, and also you get to read what happened to me on that day. It's a great testimony as a creator, as a crafter, as a designer. You definitely want to wait to the end to see what happened when I went out with the complete attire. So what do you think? Is it a match? What do you think? Does it match? Okay, so I'm set to go out.